In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to Facebook Marketplace. If you want to use PayPal for Facebook purchases or set it up as a payment option connected to your Meta account, the process is fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by opening Facebook, either in the mobile app or in your browser if you're on a computer. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use. Once you're in, go to your profile area, then open Settings and Privacy, and from there, tap or click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for Account Center. This is where Meta manages connected account features, including payments. When you open Account Center, select MetaPay. Once you're inside MetaPay, look for the section called Payment Methods. On some versions, it may appear as Other Payment Methods, so don't worry if the wording is slightly different. The important thing is to find the option that lets you manage how you pay. From there, choose Add Payment Method to continue. Next, you'll see a list of payment providers or available methods. Find PayPal and select it. As soon as you tap on PayPal, a sign-in window will open. This is the point where Facebook redirects you to PayPal so you can securely connect the two accounts. Now enter your PayPal login information, such as your email address or phone number, and then continue through the sign-in prompts. Follow each on-screen instruction carefully. You may be asked to confirm permissions or authorize the connection. This step is important because it allows your PayPal account to work with your Meta profile for eligible transactions. Once you approve the connection, the account should be linked successfully. After that, your PayPal account can be available for transactions across Facebook, including marketplace purchases, where this feature is supported in your region. It may also appear as a preferred payment method for shipping-enabled listings, depending on availability and the type of transaction you're making. If you don't immediately see PayPal as an option in Marketplace, keep in mind that payment features can vary by country, device, and account type. In that case, double-check that the account was linked properly in MetaPay and look for any app updates if you're using mobile. And that's it. Once your PayPal account is connected, you'll have a more convenient way to manage eligible purchases through Facebook